What is good, YouTube family? Games and Kicks here. I'm doing a back-to-back video again, or back-to-back recording, my bad. But here we do have a iPod 11, or iPod, my bad. iPhone 11 Pro Max, Space Gray 256 gig. I did with Team Samsung. I didn't do any videos on my Samsung device because I was bittersweet about it. Couldn't make videos, couldn't edit like how I wanted, all that. It was just all bad. So the reason my content was a little slow because I didn't have really any way to do my videos. So with that being said, that was a major drawback. So I did switch back to iPhone, and there was a lot more problems I did have with it. The watch wasn't that good. The Galaxy Buds weren't the best. With that being said, I did switch back. You guys are gonna see a lot of iPhone videos and a lot of Apple product videos on this channel coming up. But with that being said, guys, here we do have the iPhone 11 Pro Max. We are going to get this out the box. I have been using this phone for like a month, so when you know it has been used, it has been opened, all that. So as you guys can, so I do try to give you the best unboxing experience. So here we do have the phone, though, Space Gray. I do love this phone a lot. You are going to have your classic earbuds. It comes with a USB Type-C to Lightning. Has an 18-watt power brick, which is already plugged up somewhere. Sorry about that, guys. I had to make a quick cut. I had to go do something real quick. But with that being said, though, here's the iPhone itself. Man, this phone is so beautiful. That matte black, basically fingerprint resistant. Amazing. Other than that, there's not too much. Has that third camera. Hasn't had that big zoom. There's nothing like too crazy about it though. It's simple. iPhone life, got that. As you guys do know, I gotta support my Urban Armor gear, guys. So as you guys do know, we did have to re-up on another triple black case. So we are gonna throw this in there because you know we want this to break. Do got another triple black case in that. Tell me that don't look clean. Man, look at that. That is so clean, man. iPhone 11 with that like shiny black. It looks very like utility. I can't think of the word. Construction, like it's just it looks very clean. It's very minimalistic, but I will show you real quick how my layout is. Here. Layout. Yeah, guys, iPhone 11 is a very good phone. It's just an unboxing. Don't really do too much reviews because I don't really have the time to go in depth on everything. If I do have time, I try to, but it's just an unboxing. iPhone 11 Pro. Do love the phone. Team iPhone all the way now. Green or blue bubbles all the way. Green bubbles are no. Guys, that being said, like, comment, subscribe. I really do appreciate you guys following the support. We just keep growing little by little, which is what I want to see. Appreciate that. That's crazy. We back to iPhone now, guys. Team iPhone all the way. I'll see you guys in the next one.